Good morning. It's approximately 2 a.m. I'm doing another D-drag. This is a wig I'm working on. It's 36 inches long. It takes 2 hours per quarter to comb this thing out from the bottom, and then I have to flip it over and comb out the inside. So I'll be working all week on it, but I wanted to use it tonight. I go out at night and practice walking in my high-heeled shoes. My toes started going numb about 6 years ago. I thought it was from the pressure of my weight crushing down on my toes, so I stopped wearing heels. It turned out it was peripheral neuropathy, which is where the little tiny veins get coated inside with cholesterol. They don't let enough blood through and the nerves start dying. So I'm treating myself for that with something I'll remember the name of in a minute. Lipoic acid, and it's working. And now I can feel my feet. I haven't felt my feet for say 7 years. I was driving along and turned on the air conditioning, and I felt the cold on my toes, and I was like, "What's going on? I don't like that." And I went, "Wait a minute. You can't feel your toes. This is a good thing." So I've been walking around barefoot for maybe a month, and my feet are cold, and I like it. I can actually feel the floor. And my computer desk is right by the opening for the air conditioning, so cold air comes in. I just let it happen. I had a date this afternoon, so I jumped out of bed and took a shower, shaved everything, did my makeup, picked up an outfit, stuck in a plug, and waited 2 hours. He didn't show up. So I went back to bed. I woke up later in the evening with the makeup still on, so I touched it up and went to my favorite bar. It was already closed, but people were outside on the sidewalk, so I talked to them for a while. And then I went up and did my 800-step walk and came home. So now I'm going to take off the base makeup. I have lashes on. Take those off. Using a black eyelash glue, which I at first hated. Now it's okay. Generally use a piece of paper towel to take off the bulk of the lips too. Don't rub this too hard on your lips. You want them to stay soft and kissable. So use more chemical agent. MAC makes a stick. Looks like that. It's a lip primer, kind of waxy to protect your lips from chemicals. Might be called Prep and Shine. So, baby wipes. I didn't put foundation on either time. But because of my nightly serum that I put on. Is it you? I don't have my glasses on, I can't see. No. This stuff works wonders. It's less than a dime-sized amount of it. We'll do your whole face. And I looked in the mirror on the way in. It's made a tremendous difference. I do have a magnifying glass here for reading the labels. So this is by Zenobagi, Zen Obagi, Daily Power Defense. You put this on at night, or Vaseline, which I haven't found yet. So I did put glow on my nose. And took down my cheeks. With dark powder. So since there isn't primer and foundation, that's what I got. I use the other side. Actually, to punch this up, I've been using this micellar water, mineral micellar water by Vichy. They're pretty good. It's the only makeup remover I've been near. I'm sure there's lots of them. Just a little sprinkle. This will pull out more than the baby wipe. I tried drawing in those lower eyelash things like Cher has, the little points. And I have a fine tip one, but it didn't work. It's too much liquid comes out too fast. So it just became blobs. So I had to blend it out with Q-tip. Well, that's when I got one baby wipe, quite a bit actually, from minimal makeup. I know you. So I'm sorry, I'm going to turn on the water. I'm sorry it's going to be so loud, but it's the microphone on this camera is so good I got a copyright strike on the music I was playing in the other room. Last video. Bring in soap and water. Get the rest. I find one of the things that's very disturbing is the look that if a woman was going bald, male pattern baldness, it just looks horrible. And this is the reason that John Travolta movie, Battlefield Earth failed, because they all look like this. That was horrible. So there. D-drag number 3, I think it is, and I'm going to use my prep and prime. Very little. That's all it takes to do the whole face. Yeah. On until tomorrow. We'll have more exciting adventures. I'm going to do a thing called wiggery. Things about wigs. This wig is huge. I think it was still only 20 bucks. But to do this section was an hour, just this piece. And I had to turn the wig over and do the other side of it for another hour, maybe 2 hours. So like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, maybe 12, 14 hours to get this thing completely combed out. And what you have to do is turn it inside out to get it. The inside of the wing becomes the outside, and it will snuggle down just like it's the other way, and then you can comb the inside. And if you don't want to look like the crazy gypsy woman, grab yourself a hat and you're ready to go. So when both sides are done, it'll be quite a statement piece, actually. And I'm using this oil-free wig lubricant, actually. It allows you to slide the brush through the tangles instead of tearing at it. So that'll be upcoming. But that's it. You gotta start from the very bottom. Look at that mess. This was new, it came like this. Like you spray both sides with the lubricant and then you start with just a little piece like that. I'll see you next time.